Here at home, you know, it's always hot in August, but putting things into perspective, it actually hasn't been that hot of a summer so far.
And it's what it feels like that makes it a lot hotter for us, but we don't necessarily always go by that feels like temperature. We have to go by the air temperature, and we started the month of August quite hot, how we ended July, and now we're starting to see a stretch of temperatures below normal. Look at what we have seen. Here's how August 2021 has started here. We've made it through the first 9 days, and look at the ones in green. Those are days below normal. So we have had 8 of the first 9 days of temperatures below normal. The last one that we had was August the 1st. But unfortunately, we're going to probably trend hotter. Look at the next 7 days on our temperatures, middle to the upper 90s. 4 of the next 7 and 4 consecutive days that we're forecasting that temperature to reach above normal. It does come down slightly as we get into the weekend and early next week, but the heat is not going to let up anytime soon for us. Here's why. The jet stream, where the active weather is, the ones that brought in those cold fronts in the last couple of weeks, that is staying to our north, and we have the hot and humid weather that will remain in place. One thing that has worked to our advantage for today has been the strong southerly and the southwest wind, at times up to about 20 miles an hour. We've had some wind gusts as well, 20 to 25. Right now sustained at about 10 to 15 miles an hour here in East Texas, but that continues to keep things very warm. We're in the low 90s at this point. We're about to drop into the upper 80s shortly because the sun's setting a little sooner, just before 8:15 this evening, but it still feels quite humid even though we have the breeze around. The heat index for most of us right around 100, a little bit higher in deep East Texas, primarily because you've had more cloud cover today, and the greater dew points are located in our southern counties as well. We get you set for tomorrow. Breakdown looking like this. We're going to have some cloud cover in the morning. As we get throughout the day, less and less clouds, more and more sun. We'll warm up to the mid 90s, and we know the heat index will be a lot higher than that, as it should peak around 105, maybe briefly for a couple of areas near 110. The wind not as strong moving into the day tomorrow as well. We're keeping an eye on the tropics, and we're looking ahead to our next storm. This storm is tropical depression, or excuse me, potential tropical cyclone number 6. Essentially, the storm is going to pick up a named storm shortly. It is moving to the west and northwest. Forecasted to become Fred. Look at the forecast track. As it moves through the Leeward Islands, it will move over some warmer water, so strengthening maybe up to about 50 miles an hour, and then moves across the Dominican Republic and Haiti and eventually toward Cuba. And I expect it to decrease in its wind intensity because of land interaction. As we get to Saturday, the weekend, if you have any plans perhaps to the deep south or the east portion of the Gulf of Mexico, this is where the storm could move into. Right now, I don't expect it to move into the Texas Gulf of Mexico region, primarily because we've got another disturbance that may bring in some rain chances here by the end of the week. The heat is on for the next few days. I think a few of us will get close to 100 as the wind gets lighter. That may allow the temperature to rise a bit more. Those rain chances, not too impressive for now from Saturday through Monday, but we will keep an eye on them. And deep East Texas, cannot rule out an isolated sea breeze shower. Otherwise, it is hot and humid.
All right, Marcus, thank you. Coming up in sports.